So guys, it's right after my sister's birthday party, and I'm gonna try to see if it will. I have a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and I'm about to go outside and show you guys what the sky looks like. Now, I will be doing updates like this as long as this storm is. Tomorrow's Easter, so since it's a holiday, hopefully the storm will hold off. There we go. And that is what it's looking like. I just seen lightning. Oh, there you guys go. It was on camera. You guys saw it that time. There's some more.